So these games are to give the players a little bit of an experience of what's going to come in Chan, but also to get themselves ready, fitness levels and tactical, and as a team that we have that unity, that togetherness, and that we start to understand each other when we are on the pitch. So these games will give us a nice test to work on all those moments to get the team proper ready for when Chan starts.
Kwa kuna legend kama Kathy, it's a nice feeling. Of course, kama anapiga comment poa kwako, a positive one of course. Unajua after training tunaongea juu amekuwa mchezaji, so ana watch game at a different level, so it's good for us kupata experience yake na kuturekebisha kwa training sessions zetu.